Well, I think it is time to make a book. You have probably a lot of time at home, and I wanted to sort of explain just how easy it is for you to make a book just with any materials you have. I want to show a lot of the books that we do at 826 are just pieces of paper with tape on the side. So it can be as simple as folding 8 sheets of paper or 4 in half, putting tape on the edge, or even staples right here. No matter how old you are, even if you're 8 or 6, you can do this. You also have the option. This is a book that I wrote when I was 8 myself, and we punched holes in the side and we tied yarn on the side to bind it, and inside these were just loose pages illustrated and written just on the right side. And it took me a while to do this and get it just right, but I've had it now for 35, 40, I can't do the math, a long time. I've had it for a lot of years. This is one I did in 5th grade. A couple of years later, it was stapled on the side. Used to have tape here. But again, all it is cardboard, and inside just regular drawing paper and illustrations and writing. And I've had it now, again, for decades. And then lastly, a few years later, I did this. This is all cardboard, so it's sort of like a handmade board book with rings on the side. And this is like a more advanced way of binding a book. And I worked hard on all of these illustrations. This was 7th grade, I did this. So this is such a good time to create a book, whether it's like this inside, typeset with illustrations, or whether it's all type, or whether it's illustrated and written by you. Let's do this. Take the paper, come up with a subject, use tape to bind it on the side, and you'll have something forever that will remind you of this extraordinary time. Sorry, I didn't take that very well. Maybe as a subject, it could be where I want to go. This is maybe that's one. For me, the answer is Komodo Island, home of the Komodo dragon. So however you come up with it, however you choose to interpret this, that's my assignment for today. Make a book, something that you'll have and be able to keep forever. Thanks.